Michelle? My racer name or my actual name? Kaylee. Oh, my fault, gang. Alright, y'all. Say hey to my YouTube channel. They ain't say hello. Oh, well. They useless anyway. I hope y'all enjoyed the mini little clip I had me at the fucking racetrack. So, oh my god. What the fuck? How broke out? Oh no. It's not bad. It's not bad. One little pimple. One little pimple. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, we're here. Back in my room or whatever. It looks a little weird. But I just made this concoction for my hair because I'm doing a protein treatment finally. I'm washing my hair today. I had the wig on today like I showed y'all in the video. But I made the concoction. It was literally a protein mask. So it was yogurt. It was yogurt, honey, yogurt, honey, bananas, and mayonnaise. So, and it actually smells good. I'm not gonna taste it because that's kind of crazy. But y'all get what I mean. It looks like a lot. I didn't really put that much in my hair because I have low porosity, so it doesn't really take protein that well. But look, it's whatever though. My mess is looking messy. I have to clean it up for like tomorrow and shit. But I'm gonna see y'all like in the shower because I'm gonna wash my hair and shit. And yeah, period. Hey guys, I'm starting off like last time. First starting off in the shower, just rinsing my hair out and stuff like that. So just gonna be doing that for a little bit. Do y'all see like all that fucking water going into my hair and into I'm just like, bro. It's just like fucking saturating it, and now it's looking so nice. I love my hair sometimes, for real. This be the times that I love. These be the times that I love. So in the next clip, just as last time, I'm using the Mielle shampoo. Yes, it's the little bottles because I got it for samples for like my club, so I just started using that in my hair. And then I just started to go in with it using the shampoo. Cheese. Using the shampoo for my hair and just going in with that. Then I start going in with the Carol's Daughter conditioner, really moisturizing, and I'm honestly running out. So in my next video, you might not see me using that, to be honest. After that, I just start using it to saturate my hair, just get into all the little curls and moistures. My curls do look really nice though, I'm not even gonna lie. They are going through a little bit, but hey, it's all in the process. Then in this next clip, I start sectioning off my hair into like, I think 4 sections, I believe. 4 or 6, I'm not sure. Yeah, last time, as y'all can see, like the clip was a little higher, but now it's not. So after I section my hair into 4, I just start rinsing my hair out, I think, or something like that. I think I rinsed my hair out already, honestly. Yeah. That's funny. So at this point, I use the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Mask Treatment as a deep conditioner. I always use this, and this is the black castor oil, and it honestly does strengthen your hair a lot. As you can see, like my protective hairstyle did cause like some breakage to my natural hair, and honestly, that's honestly okay because it's kind of like supposed to do that. And my hair always like reverts back after like the next week, like really reverts back like after the next week to what it's supposed to be. I don't know why her does that, but it does. But I'm not gonna lie, like I really like my curls in the back, and I honestly feel like my hair is like getting a lot thicker again. So I'm honestly really happy about that, to be honest, y'all. Yeah. So now I'm taking out my hair from the towel, and look at my dumb ass. I couldn't find my microfiber towel, so that shit really just like pulled my hair out. Nah, my face was funny, yo. But peace out. It is what it is. Then I just start using the towel mostly and just covered up my hair. I'm gonna be showing y'all my hair basically. It's cute, looking nice, looking even, all of that. So cute. I love my hair sometimes. Oh shit. So now I'm showing all the products I'm using. That product right there is something I made, and I'm going to put it on the side and link it down below. Then I have everything else that I'm using, and I'm going to put that in the description box. Unfortunately, I didn't leave it in the camera for too long, like a dummy. But these are the products I literally used last time for my hair. Like, literally the same ones. And y'all, sadly, I'm running out of this Camille Rose honey thing. So I started using the Mielle one. And it was still pretty good, but I think the Camille Rose honey, honestly, is better. It's more lightweight for my hair. And it gets into a lot of stuff better than the other one. If y'all know, like, what I mean. Like, y'all know what I mean. If y'all a little processed, you just know what I mean. Like, you need lightweight stuff just to get like the amount of moisture that you need. So now I'm basically just saturating all the products into my hair, using the spray bottle at the same time just to add some, a little more slip to the product, stuff like that. And I don't know what I'm looking for right now, but oh yeah, the freaking brush that I need just to, you know, detangle my hair, make the curls curly or whatnot. Looking cute and curly. I could have saturated my hair a lot more, but hey, I think it's gonna look a lot more saturated when I add the other products into my hair, just not that one. So yeah, some cute stuff right here. Now, as y'all can see, I'm going with the AsIAm twisting souffle, and I'm just literally just putting it in my hair. Then I'm gonna start using my homemade product. I'm gonna put that in the description or on the sidebar. Honestly, this product I made was honestly really great, and I'm gonna make a few more before I leave for school. Like, I had to like put it together and mix stuff up and stuff like that. I think making my own hair product is gonna be a new thing for me. I don't know if it will get to the point where I will sell it or anything. I'm not really planning on doing that, but honestly, if it's really good for myself, then hey, I might as well just like make a profit off of it. Then I'm going in with the hair oil. This is Argan Oil, and this works great for a lot of slip and trying to basically um, style your hair, making braids and everything like that. Um, yeah, this is a cute product to use, and it smells good too. Like, all of these smell really good, so your hair will smell right after this, for real, for real. So as y'all remember from last time, I was showing all the clips of me like braiding my hair down, down, down. But in this vlog, I just want to make it kind of short and simple and sweet, and just braid a little bit. I only did like literally one, and then the rest I just took out and done. This is all it is. Period. Later, y'all.
But I'll be on it always.